Today on Pajama News.
This is Rosie. Please leave your hand if you can hear me. 17. Thinking on the 17 button. You know me better than myself.
Don't do video camera